Hello everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. In this video, I'll discuss about apparent weight of bodies in lift. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, we should know that what is the apparent weight and what is the real weight. So the actual weight is that which is real, and the apparent weight is what we would feel. So this is a lift having mass m. So the weight mg is acts downward, so an opposite force from the surface of the contact is exerted. This is the apparent force. For this, I'll tell you a short trick by which you will solve it within seconds. So this is the short trick. For upward acceleration, if acceleration is upward or downward retardation, R is equal to mg plus A, where R is the apparent force, apparent weight, m is mass, g is gravitational force, and A is acceleration. This is the short trick. This is the first short trick. Now let's check the first condition, lift at rest. That is, for the solution we will draw the FBD and etc. So I'll tell you the whole process, but I'm telling you the short trick also. So first the whole process. mg r A, because acceleration is upward, so this is ma. R is equal to mg plus ma, because lift at rest, A is equal to 0, R is equal to mg. In the second condition, lift moving with constant velocity. So when the velocity is constant, acceleration is 0. mg, ma, r, r is equal to mg plus ma, r is equal to mg. In both condition, lift at rest and lift moving with constant velocity, r is equal to mg. In the third condition, accelerating upward at the rate of a, the lift accelerating upward at the rate of a. So we will not draw the FBD and not doing the whole process, but we will apply the short trick. R is equal to mg plus A, and this is the answer for this condition. Now one more. Accelerating upward at the rate of g means A is equal to g mg r. but we will apply the short trick. R is equal to mg plus a is equal to mg plus g. R is equal to 2mg. For this condition, R is equal to 2mg. Acceleration upward at the rate of g, and we'll also saying that retardation downward. The acceleration upward is equal to retardation downward. So now we'll come to the second short trick. If acceleration is downward or retardation upward. R is equal to m g minus a. This is for downward acceleration. Now we will apply it on the conditions. Accelerating downward at the rate of a, R is equal to mg minus a. If we want, we will apply the whole process, but this is the answer which we will find by the short trick. The next condition is accelerating downward at the rate of g. R is equal to mg minus a, where a is equal to g, then R is equal to mg minus g. R is equal to 0. In this condition, R is equal to 0. And the last condition is accelerating downward at the rate of a greater than g. R is equal to mg minus a. So for this, R is always negative. This is the point. You should be in your mind. Accelerating downward at the rate of a greater than g, then R is always negative. This is the conditions where we apply our short trick and solve it in the within seconds. This is the short trick. If you want, you will take a screenshot. If this video helped you a little bit, so please subscribe and hit like button. It motivates me. So I'll come with another topic in my next video. Stay tuned. Till then, thank you.